CorelDRAW Go isn't just another design tool, it's your creative launchpad. With the addition of new AI tools, CorelDRAW Go takes creativity to an entirely new level. AI Generate turns your text prompts into unique visuals. Explore a variety of style presets, from photorealistic and 3D render to watercolor and line art, to achieve a consistent look across your imagery. Plus, unlock powerful new editing possibilities by using text prompts to modify existing images, remove subjects, change colors, and more. I have opened a travel poster and want to generate a new image using AI to replace the current one. I'll click on the AI Generate button in the toolbar to open the panel. If I'm new to AI, I can use the Guide Me panels to add a descriptive text of the image I want to create step by step. Or I can click on the I'll Handle It tab and either type, or copy and paste, a prompt in myself. The Inspire Me button at the bottom of the panel gives me examples of creative prompts. I can also choose from one of 6 styles to give my resulting image the specific look I'm aiming for. Let's add a prompt. Note: the more precise your prompt is, the closer the resulting image will be to what you have envisaged. Before I click the Generate button, I'll choose an appropriate AI model. In this case, I'm going to use the Flux Schnell model. As we can see from the descriptions, each model has its specific strengths. Choose the one that you think will help you to realize your idea the best. I'll click on Generate. That's a great result. I'll just use this to replace the current image in my travel template. If I don't wish to generate an image from scratch, I can click on the Add from Document or the Import Image icons. Before I create a new image, I'm just going to reset the AI Generate panel settings. I'm going to import the image of a hiker and replace the current background with something more dramatic. Each time you generate an image using an AI model, a specific number of credits will be used. CorelDRAW Go subscribers are allocated 1,000 credits per month. For more info and links on purchasing additional credits, please check the CorelDRAW Go help. Should you run out of credits before your next monthly allocation, the Generate button will convert to a Purchase Credits button. In CorelDRAW Go, AI becomes your creative partner, helping you explore bolder ideas, refine details with precision, and unlock styles you may never have discovered on your own. The result isn't less creativity, it's amplified creativity. CorelDRAW Go gives you the freedom to experiment more, iterate faster, and bring your most ambitious visions to life with unprecedented speed and originality.